Before fridges, we had ice boxes. Cold came in blocks, not buttons. Then came electric cooling, bulky, humming, revolutionary. Fridges got stylish, colors popped, kitchens smiled. No more chipping ice. Frost-free changed the game. Then came double doors, digital panels, and crushed ice on demand. Now, your fridge thinks, saves power, and texts you when the milk's low. From ice boxes to inverter tech, the fridge didn't just cool, it evolved.